before I do these notes, if you have any inappropriate thoughts during the notes, keep them in your head with me. You'll see what I mean in a minute. Don't get lunch to teach you because you say an inappropriate thought. You'll see what I mean. That's the disclaimer before these notes. Okay. All right, if you look in the textbook, the definition of a function would be this. Every input has only one output. That is the definition that you would find in most math textbooks. And I don't like that definition very good because it's not very clear on what it means. Are you with me? Do y'all understand functions yet? No, it's not a very good definition. So I made up my own. Would you like to hear mine? Yeah. Input is really the x values. Are you with me? And this definition's better. Output is really the y values. So if we read it like this, this is better. Every x can only have one. That's a better definition. That's a little more clear. Are you with me? But I'm going to make it even better. Are you ready? Let's think about dating. This is why you need to keep any inappropriate thoughts to yourself. Girls have the X chromosome, XX chromosome. Boys have the XY chromosome. Are you with me? Okay, so let's label it this. Every girl can only have one boyfriend. And that makes life crystal clear. We know, girls and boys, if I find a girl that has two boyfriends, it's not going to be a function. Are you with me? Good. Questions so far? Are we clear? All right, so let's look at some data and let's determine if things are a function or not according to the definition. So on the homework today, they might ask you, is this a function? Well, let's see. Who is girl number one's boyfriend? Is she dating anybody else?
No.
Nope. How about two? Who's her boyfriend? Her boyfriend. Her boyfriend. Are any of the girls dating two different guys?
No.
So this is a function because no girl has two boyfriends. So this would be a big fat yes. Are you with me? All right. Let's look at this one. Let's take a look at this data. Who's girl number two's boyfriend? Does she have any others?
Yes.
Yeah, she does. Do y'all see that this is the same girl and a different boyfriend? Okay, girl two has violated the law of functions. Two cannot have two different boyfriends. This is not going to be a function. Because girl number two is cheating. Do y'all agree? Keep your comments to yourself. Okay. I'll tell you. Well, no, I can't. Okay. Questions so far? All right, so you're going to have tables. And, well, let's look at this one. Is this a function? No? So what girl is cheating? Tell me what girl has two different boyfriends, and I will agree with you because the law says every girl can only have one boyfriend. Is girl number one cheating?
No.
How about girl two?
No.
How about girl three?
No.
How about girl four?
No.
None of the girls are cheating. This is a function, people. Now, this is where the guys start to smile. Are you with me? Girls, unfortunately, in the law of functions, the boys can cheat, the girls cannot. Quit smiling, boys, because it's only in the law of functions. Are you with me? Not in the real world. If you try to go get 4 girlfriends in the real world, they're all going to find out about it and they're going to beat you to a pulp, guys. So don't do that. Are you with me? Okay. Only in the law of functions is this allowed, boys. Quit smiling. Okay. All right, moving on. They might give you what's called a mapping. A mapping is 2 bubbles, and there's going to be some numbers in it, in both bubbles, and there's going to be some lines connecting numbers to numbers. We need to know which one is the X. Which one do y'all think are the X? The left side, just like a table, is always going to be your X's. So these are the girls, these are the boys. Is girl 3 cheating? No. Who's her boyfriend? No. How about 4? Who's hers? No. How about 5? No. Are any of the girls cheating? No. Is this a function? Yes. Absolutely. Let's look at another one. I'm going kind of quick today because Miss B's got to leave here in a minute. Are you with me? So bear with me. All right. Ooh, I didn't connect very good. Sorry. Is this mapping a function? No. Who's cheating then? You better tell me what girl's cheating. Girl 8 is cheating. She's got a boyfriend -2. She's got a second boyfriend -8. So this is not a function. Get questions. All right. And lastly, let's look at some graphs. Graphs are pretty easy because they must pass. Put a big star on your notes. All graphs must pass the vertical line test. I'll show you how to apply the vertical line test. All right, to see if a graph is a function or not, what does a vertical line look like? Straight up and down. If I draw a vertical line right here, how many times does my vertical line hit the graph? Once. That tells me that this girl only has 1 boyfriend. Are you with me? What about right here? 1 boyfriend. What about here? Here? Here. Is there anywhere I can draw the vertical line that it will hit the vertical line twice? No. That's a function. Are you with me? What if I draw a vertical line here? Twice. What? Oh, once. That girl has 1 boyfriend. What about here? Once. Here. Once. Here. Twice. No. There's a violation. Do you notice that this girl, whoever her number is, maybe 2 or 3, has a boyfriend here, we'll call it 1, has a second boyfriend right here, we'll call that 3. This one fails the vertical line test. It is not going to be a function. All right, one more. What if we had a circle? Would a circle be a function? Yes or no? No, because if I draw my vertical line right there, how many times does it touch the circle? Twice? That is definitely not going to be a function. Question.